Oh my goodness, this works amazing. There's a little line left right in here that we need to get. So I'm going to put my finger right there. So we need to get right in there. Hello everyone and welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Ryobi buffer and waxer. So this is a part of the OnePlus series. So you can use your batteries with this. If you'd like to learn more information about the OnePlus series, leave a comment and I'll be happy to help you. If you're interested in this product, you can buy this. I'll put a link in my video description where you guys can get this. So very nice, very simple. Your battery goes on top here. This does not come with a battery or battery charger, so that is something you'll have to purchase separately. So let's see how this turns on. Alright, so the button's right here. So what you do is you take your pad. They provide you with, looks like, 2 different ones. I'll put a link in the video description where you can get everything that I have. This is polish. So you want to pull this down, so the only part is the soft part, because you don't want the other part to rub your paint, because it is a more harder material. So you just pull it down over, make sure all the sides are even, and then you take your string here and you tie it off. So let's just make sure that it's down the whole way. So I don't know if you can see the line right in here, but let's test it out. Oh my goodness, this works amazing. There's a little line left right in here that we need to get. So I'm going to put my finger right there. So we need to get right in there. Wow. This is working out amazing, this buffer. It's getting a 10 out of 10 all day long. I'll show you the other side. So we had long decals on the car. Can you see them? Like right in here. Oh yeah. This thing is amazing. This buffer gets a 10 out of 10 all day long. So can you see it? Probably not right there. completely took it away. Wow, 10 out of 10 all day long.